It has been always said that good habits leads to a good life. Good morning all of you. This is Arsha and welcoming you all in our today's morning assembly. Today I am going to talk on good habits. What is the meaning of good habits? Why should we follow the good habits? But before that, get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Since our birth, our parents teaching us good habits. Let's understand what is the meaning of good habits. Good habits, it's a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical and mental health. It's always good to apply good habits in our life because they can make our life more hygienic, simple and enjoyable. We should always follow good habits like exercise regularly, sleep early, wake up early and so on. Putting ourselves into bad habit, it means invite many germs and disease in our life. With bad habits, we will be always in trouble and could not manage to live a healthy and happy life. Habits express our character. We show what type of human we are by our habits. Friends, why we need to follow good habits? Did you ever think that? Why some small things like meditation, work for a long hours, wake up early, get up early, etc. are very difficult for a few people. And the same things are very easy for some other people. We don't have time to read books. While even Bill Gates, he has time to read. So these are very small things. But today I am here with some unique good habits that everyone should follow in his or her life. अभी न पूछो हमसे मंजिल कहाँ है. अभी न पूछो हमसे मंजिल कहाँ है. अभी तो हमने चलने का इरादा किया है. ना हारे हैं, ना हारे हैं, ना हारेंगे कभी. ना हारे हैं, ना हारेंगे कभी. ये किसी और से नहीं, खुद से ये वादा किया है. Yes, friends, the habit of self-confident. Being self-confident is an important habit that you must implement in your life. You should master your skills and your talent. It will create self-confidence and your trust in yourself. It will take some time, but once you build up your self-confidence, then it will become your habit. After building your self-confidence, you are not far away from your success. In Marathi, it is said that Vatsal tar Vatsal. It means if you read, then you can survive. Yes, friends, I am talking about the habit of reading. The other most important habit that everyone must implement in their life is the habit of reading. Reading helps a person to learn from his mistake and do not repeat his mistake. It also helps us gaining more knowledge. Some people say they don't have enough time to read. But I want to ask you one question. Are you busier than Bill Gates? He has time to read. Then why don't we? The next habit is never giving up. Yeah, never giving up is also a habit. Every person has a lots of dream, but if you give up on each and every dream, then you became habitual of giving up. While you fight for each and every dream and try to achieve your goals, then you create a good habit of never giving up. The great scientist Thomas Edison implemented this good habit of never giving up in his life. And that's why he is able to invent the light bulb. If he gives up on the first or second attempt, then how he invent the light bulb? Let's come to our next habit, that is positive surrounding. We must create a habit of surrounding ourselves with positive people and positive things. Let's understand this point with the help of an example. A boy joins a new school where there are two groups of children. One group with a bad habit, and also the children of that group didn't focus on their studies. And another group, the second group with the children who are having good habits and they focus on their studies and they respect their teachers. So, friends, there are many situations in our life. We have two options. So, we must choose positive surrounding and positive people for us. डर से मत डर, डर तो सिर्फ मन का एक वहम है. डर से मत डर, डर तो सिर्फ एक मन का वहम है, क्योंकि डर के आगे जीत है. Another good habits in the list of good habits is to be fearless. There are different kinds of fear, such as fear of failure, fear of not being accepted, or many more, but you must be fearless. Fear stops a person from being creative and holds a person back and away from his success. So, to live a successful life and a happy life, you must implement a good habit to be fearless. Friends, it is said that health is wealth. So, yes, I am talking about our next good habit, that is daily exercise. Daily exercise is also a good habit. It keeps a person fit, healthy, happy. And also it makes a person more productive. It makes a person think broader and to live a long and happy and healthy life. 30 minutes of any exercise like jogging, cycling, walking or any other can change the whole day. So, you must implement this good habit in your lifestyle. At last but not least, yes, I am talking about last good habit, it is wake up early. All the successful people like Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, they are early risers. The habit of early rising is not easy to create, but very important and a good habit that everyone must implement in their life. Rising early in the morning will make a person more healthy and also makes him feel more fresh and happy. It also increases the productivity of a person. So this is all about good habits. I hope you implement this all good habits in your life. So get ready for our next activity. Thank you for listening.
स्टूडेंट, आज हम जो अभी आसन करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है पर्वतासन, सीटिंग पर्वतासन. सो पहले हमें नीचे बैठना है, स्ट्रेच योर लेग, ऐसे, दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल पोजीशन, ऐसे बैठना है. देन स्लोली हम अपने लेग को क्लोज करेंगे. देन स्लोली हैंड्स अप. आपको हैंड को ऐसे रखना है. ओके, देन अप, रिलैक्स, open your legs, then stand up.